Hi, Emma. Do you remember who I am?
Hello. How are you? Your name is.
Hi, Emma. Who am I?
Hello. How are you? Your name is.
Emma?
Okay, I was there.
Emma. Who am I?
Hello. I am Emma.
Who am I?
Can you tell me your name?
Yes, my name is Marco.
Blimey. Your name is. Is that correct English?
Yes, that is correct English.
I get. Does that make sense?
Yes. What's my name?
Bug.
What's my name?
Can you tell me your name?
Yes, my name is Marco.
Her. How nice to meet you, Mark.
Marco.
Macrophage receptor. Marco, also known as macrophage receptor, with collagen structure. Marco is a protein that in humans is encoded by the gene. Marco is a class of scavenger receptor that is found on particular subsets of macrophages. 10, 11 scavenger receptors are pattern recognition receptors, PRRs, and are most commonly found on immune cells.